Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 14th, and I'm going to be planting some marigold seeds today. I'm going to be trying the Climax mix, and I've grown the petite orange ones before. They're really pretty. And I am going to be growing some lemon drop marigolds, but I have to wait till I find those seeds. So I already have my cell pack here filled with my potting mix. Now for marigolds, I just use regular Miracle-Gro. I've been using regular Miracle-Gro potting mix for my marigold plantings for years, and I've never had any issues with it. I used to do a lot of outdoor sowing and winter sowing methods with my marigolds, but I'm going to be planting these and starting these in the greenhouse. So I'm going to be planting the Climax mix first. And you can see here, this is what marigold seeds look like. Now, I'm going to show you here how to tell the difference between good marigold seeds and ones that aren't good. Your marigold seeds should be nice and sturdy, not paper thin, not like a gray color. So these are good here. And the way that I plant my marigold seeds is I just take the seed and I just stick it in the soil, and I just let the very top of the white part stick out on the seed. And marigold seeds usually germinate within 7 to 14 days. Just sticking them in here. Oops, drop some. And these blooms on the Climax mix are supposed to get like 5 inches across. And they're really good, they say, for cutting. Okay, if it doesn't have the white on, just go ahead and put it in your soil and just gently cover it. It's actually raining outside today. I don't know if you can hear that on the video or not. Now, I will give these a nice gentle watering, and you want to make sure that your mix stays nice and moist so that they don't dry out on you. Now, I've grown marigolds already by taking clear, like milk jugs, and you cut them in half, and then you put holes in the bottom of the milk jug, and you put some in the top of the milk jug. You fill the bottom with your potting mix, and then you just plant your marigold seeds in there. You close the container up, you put them outside, and they'll actually start coming up for you. What it'll do is it'll act like a little mini greenhouse, and I've done that for years. I had really great results with that. So now they tell you to put these about a 1/4 inch deep. I find that just putting them in the way that I did works very well, and I normally grow at least probably 50 marigolds a year, and I've done them like this. So the Climax mix takes about 65 to 70 days to bloom, and they get about 30 to 36 inches tall. And you want to space them 9 to 12 inches apart. Now what I do when I did my outdoor sowing method is I would just put them in. It'd be sort of like a flat in a way when I would use the milk jugs, and then I would just separate them out as I planted them. So when these start coming up, I will come back on this video and I will show them to you. So we'll be back. So today is April the 28th, 2019, and I wanted to show you that some of my marigold seeds here started coming up, and I have some others elsewhere. Now these were grown in the greenhouse, and they're getting the true leaves, so it's time to start feeding them. So I will feed them once a week with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food, 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. And I just wanted to give you this quick update here on these, that they did come up for me. Now I'm waiting for this one here to come up, and this one here is starting to come up over here, and I'm still waiting for a few for the orange petite ones. This one here is the climax mix. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.